Yes, hello guys, welcome to Mojokat. So in this video I'll be describing how I came up with this rotating grill. It was a request by one of my clients. Yeah, he wanted a rotisserie or rotating grill that could accommodate at least 20 chickens at the same time. So this is what I came up with. Yeah, the dimensions were solely from me, and uh, apart from looking for ideas from different websites, Pinterest, YouTube. Yeah, the dimensions were from me completely. So yeah, as a matter of fact, I started with the top simply because the top was one of the few parts that were fixed or whose design was to be intentional. What I mean by that is the fact that we wanted at least 20 chickens. So the first point that I could look at was the fact that, yeah, how many sticks do I need? And each stick should have like how many pieces of chicken. So what I did, yeah, I made a total of 6 sticks, and chicken, at least there should be 3 pieces on each stick. Yeah, giving me, so at least I mean, yeah, 4 is acceptable, and also 3 below, so 18, then 20 above, that's a short number. Yeah, so I started out with this light gray part because that's where the most crucial parts were to be placed. Yeah, we had the sticks. We're supposed to add the sprockets. Yeah, these are shafts for the sprockets. You know, I not completed as such because, yeah, I was getting the concept, and having gotten it, probably I'll repeat one that is okay with everything. So yeah, what I have here, this is the mount of the wiper motor, because wiper motors are strong, and also for rotating wheel we don't need a very fast motor. Yeah, and it's cheaper compared to where I am. Yeah, okay, so having done the frame, this top piece, I went ahead and I did the motor. I also did the chain and sprocket. So the most interesting part I enjoyed as I was doing, the fact that I came up with this chain and sprocket. It was my first time, and I learned a lot of things as I was developing it, and then the functionality, how the whole thing was working. Yeah, it may slow down my piece a bit, but yeah, let me give it a try. Okay, it's moving the whole thing. Yeah, I haven't fixed it. So when you rotate the sprocket, yes, this is the wiper motor here. Then from the wiper motor we have the shaft, where shaft is welded on that small bolt. Those who have seen the wiper motors can tell. So I have the sprocket. The moment the wiper motor spins, I'll rotate this sprocket here, will rotate, and cause the chain rotate. So chain is connected to these sprockets, and the sprockets are part of the sticks. So as the chain rotates, these sticks will also rotate, and whatever is attached here will also rotate. Yeah, so I enjoyed that part mostly, and from there I went ahead and put the guard. Yeah, so this is the guard, and it was a progressive design. I got it uh, from the shape of the motor. Having put the motor in place, I went back and started coming up with this shape. The other part that I enjoyed most is the fact that in assembly you can use the design tool. Yeah, so assuming I've carried my bolt from there, it will sense where the hole is, and it will determine where it can go. Okay, so assuming I put okay, it's here, just come and try to drop it anywhere. So it is affected by the direction. I think you can see as I rotate it. So assuming I want it fixed here, I want it to get into this hole. Okay, and I have to escape. So it has come up here, but from here now I can move it to where it's supposed to be. You've all seen. I can also do the mate. So this is so important that you don't have to waste a lot of time to do each part like from zero. Simple things like the sprockets, bolts, washers can be gotten from this design toolbox. Okay, so having developed the top part, which was the most important, crucial, and the dimension determining part, I went down. So went ahead and I put these trays. The top tray is basically to accommodate the charcoal, which will be burning and will be like the fire source. Then the bottom one will be the hash collector. Yeah, whatever is burnt, hash will drop down here, and after some time, yeah, the client's supposed to pour it away. Then I put casters for mobility. Yeah, these are fixed. However, what I'll be putting there in the final design, assuming I reach into a conclusive, agreement with the client, they'll be swiveling in at least 360 degrees. Yeah, this will help in mobility, and also I think you've been able to see this handle. This handle is basically for pushing the whole grill around. Yes, so it was a nice design for me. I was developing it slowly. I think it took me roughly something like 3 months. They are simply because I was doing other things. So, and also the client was not rushing the process. Thank you so much. More things will be coming in. So, if you would like to get the dimensions, if you have a question, please put it down in the comment section. I'll be able to follow through and also guide you accordingly. Yeah, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. You can follow me up on my Instagram, Mojocard2, then TikTok, Mojocard, Fiverr, it's Mojocard, then uh, Pinterest, it's Mojocard shop. So where you find Mojocard, it's likely going to be me. Thank you so much. Some of the services that I can offer also, I can teach SolidWorks and AutoCAD to any level that you want. I'm also a mechanical engineer. I can do research. I can develop tools. So yeah, hope to hear from you again. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so that we can win together. Thank you so much.